So, From Syria With Love is a UK-based charity and aims to raise awareness about the global refugee crisis. We try to raise awareness through different ways, through music, through art, through poetry and education, and through public speaking. We hold art exhibitions across the countries, in the UK, Germany, France and the USA recently, about drawings done by children living in the refugee camps, and we try to raise awareness about how their imagination is affected by the crisis. And some of the pictures have quite traumatic and tragic pictures, others are hopeful and promising. And the second method is public speaking. We do presentations about Syria to tell people what was Syria like before the crisis and after, and how can we help, why should we help, and try to challenge other stereotypes and labels. The third one is the book, From Syria With Love book, which we sold out the first 1,000 copies from the first print in 3 months. And now we did the second print, and it's written by the children of living in a refugee camp. And they share with us their stories, their past, their future, and their hopes and dreams. And also they send messages to the countries that hosted refugees, messages to countries that didn't host refugees. And as well as they try to share experiences. For example, there's a girl called Kauthar. She was married when she's 14 years old. And she shares with us her experience of child marriage to raise awareness. There's also Pen Pal between British and Syrian girl. And the book is a very insightful piece. We have a foreword from Caroline Lucas and contributions from other authors and British poets. And the music is a CD folk British music done by Devon-based artists about the refugee crisis. It's called the album called For Syria With Love. So we raise awareness and funds with those activities, and we take the donations raised and sent to help refugees in most need in Syria and Lebanon. And we mainly operate on 4 main pillars: education, empowerment, emergencies and relief. We try to set up schools, kindergartens. We have tent school project where children go to the tent to learn. And we have empowerment projects, 6 empowerment projects we help starting, and we help emergencies. We provide sponsorship for autistic young men, children, and we distribute relief baskets. We distributed over 1,500 relief baskets so far, and we do that through zero management fees. We are all volunteers. We don't take money for our time and effort, and we try to be very transparent. We document every single penny and pound on the website, how we spent it. We provide pictures, documents, invoices and details. So that's From Syria With Love in a nutshell, and it's been quite successful. We've been invited to Harvard University last year to take part in Harvard Arab Weekend as one of the leading charities in changing people's lives in the Middle East. We also have been to London several times, big events sometimes, Aid and Trade, which is an event in Excel to combine people in the business sector and the charity sector. And we've been to Berlin, to Paris, and we're trying to expand with our activities and events. The book also has been sold in Canada, Germany, Britain, America, and the talk have been done to different people and organizations, starting with schools, universities and local communities. Recently I've done presentation to Devon and Cornwall Police, and how From Syria, I think From Syria Love fits very well with being a human festival, lost and found. I think the idea of the exhibition in the first place is that to challenge dehumanization of people, show that children have hopes, dreams and talents. They're individuals, they're not numbers. They probably might have been lost in numbers, but these pictures bring back to reality that these are individuals, because alongside each picture there's an identification card that talks about the children's name, age and the camp they come from and their dream. So I think it tried to kind of make them found again for the people here rather than relating to them as numbers. And it's been quite good. We had interest from different people, and a lot of people liked the book and took their copies. and hopefully to the end of the event we will have more people to raise awareness to and reach out for as many people as we can.